Today I'll be replacing the tail lights on my 986 Boxster. I'll be replacing them with these upgraded tail lights. We have LEDs on here and frosted section up here. I do like how the yellow integrates with the yellow theme of the Boxster, where it does give a little bit of a dated look. So I think these will be a nice upgrade. I'll be showing how the replacement is done. So if we're looking in the trunk of the Boxster, I'll be replacing the left side first, and if we look in, there here is how it looks inside. We'll have to remove this small screw, and I can just pull on it and unscrew it, and there's a small carpet piece right here that just simply take out, and it just simply pops out. But in here you can see the 4 screws, 2 right here and then 2 right here, and these are 8mm screws that I'll be unscrewing. So this light, this wire is supposed to be actually clipped in up here, so I'll clip that in. You squeeze both sides of this plug to take it out, pops right out. Then I'll go ahead and unscrew these. So usually I break them free and then I just use my fingers and screw them off. Alright, so once you get all 4 screws out, this just pops right out. And it has a little bit of glue, not really glue, but the sealing tape, the sealing surface on it. I can push it out from the inside while trying not to let it fall. So you just push it out and just take it right out. And now the light came out, but here is a little dirty, so I'll go ahead and just clean that up. Alright, so I've washed up here, and all you do is you simply slide this in. So this fits right in. There's the new one in, and I just go ahead and screw it in. And these are very small nuts. You don't really need to tighten them tight. Just get them snug. My mechanic told me that whenever you're screwing in nuts, you look on the size of the head, and that determines how much force you use, how much torque you apply to it. Alright, so there it is. I got my wires connected, and now I just need to put back in my trim piece, and then I'll be good to go. Alright, so there it is. I've now gotten that brake light in, and you can see the difference. I'll do a video tomorrow as well, and you'll be able to see the full thing in the day. So here I'm going to test the lights. The factory light is on the left, the new light is on the right. This is a park light. This is what it looks like. They look about the same. On the left side there's a small marker light, and that marker light is not on the LED. This is the brake lights coming on. You can see it's the inner light of the two. It's the same with the factory. So only the inner LED coming in. That's the brake light and the park light at once. And then now that is a reverse light. You can see they are about equal. The bulb is the same. It is not a LED bulb. It is the same halogen bulb that is reused. This is a turn signal. So this is how the car looks in the daytime. And you can see I really like how it looks. It definitely improves it. Well, here I'm demonstrating that there is the park light here, and then the brake light is on the inside. This is a LED strip with 2 sections right there, but only the inside one come on. That is a park light, and then this is a brake light. So we want it so that this outer LED strip also comes on with the brake light, and I'll be showing a different video where I can demonstrate that modification. and you'll see that now once I do the mod. So guys, there is what I did that mod so that that light turns on. First time you press, sometimes you only get the one, but on your drive, each subsequent press will get both. So I think I'll just have to live with it like that. I'm going to show how I'll be modding this side. As you can see, it kind of looks incomplete, so I much prefer having both lights. And then here I'll do the mod to get both, and I'll show you how I do that. And this is my 996. I'm very sad to be selling it. This is a car I really enjoy owning. I picked up this as a replacement, but this car is an absolute dream to drive. And it's my favorite car. Done a lot of mods to it, and it's a really great driving experience. I'll be keeping my two cars set up to be my 991 and my Boxster. And I'm also selling my Lexus. I'll watch part 2 of the video to see how I modded the taillight. This is before and after. So subscribe to my channel to see more Porsche content and great stories.